This is Diane Heisick. I will be demonstrating on how to design a workbook as an interactive web page found on page 186 of the textbook. It's a picture of my dog Gus. Start off, I'm going to go to Data. I need to create a pivot table. I'm going to go and click inside my data, Insert Pivot Table, click OK. And for this pivot table, I want to select Date for my row, I want Revenue for my value, and I want Customer as my column. And then over here, I'm going to go ahead and change my dates so that way they're grouped by month. So I'll right click, group, and month is already highlighted, so I'll go ahead and click OK. Now it's a little bit more condensed, a little neater looking. And at this point, I can now go to and create my pivot chart. So I'll go to Insert, Pivot Chart. I'm going to leave it as the clustered column. Click OK. And now also I want to create a slicer, so I'll go to Analyze, Insert Slicer, and I want a slicer by sector. This way I have, when I create this page, this sheet, I have something to control my table with. So I went ahead and use Control to click, or to select the slicer and the chart. And I'm going to go ahead and cut them out of here and put them into a new sheet. So now I'm just going to go ahead and do some formatting, make them look a little bit nicer. Start off with, I'm going to go ahead and get rid of those, if I can find it, the buttons, field buttons that are on here. So I'm going to hide all of those. I also want to add a table, or a title to my table. So I'm going to go ahead and have something to summarize what the data is showing. So now I have a nice chart. I'm going to go ahead and stretch it out a little bit, make it a little bit nice and big, a little bit bigger, easier to view. And then of course my slicer, it's already connected, so I can easily format or filter my chart. So at this point, I'm going to go ahead and go to View. Let me click outside of the table there. I'm going to get rid of the grid lines and the headings, make it look a little bit less like Excel. And then I'm going to go to File, Info, Browser View Options. I want Sheet 7. Click OK. And I'll go ahead and go back, verify, yep, that's Sheet 7. So now I'm going to go to Save As. I'm going to go to the OneDrive. I'm going to go ahead and give this a different name. And I'm going to click Save. So now this is saved to the OneDrive. So I'm going to go ahead and go in, sign in. So just give me a moment and I'll get signed in. Alright, I've gotten signed into OneDrive, so I'm going to go to the Documents folder. I'm going to select the test and give it a moment while it tries to open up my file. And hopefully at some point it opens up and you'll be able to see that the one sheet has been successfully saved. Here it comes. Oh, I've got to get out of it over here. Helps if you're not trying to use the same document at the same time. So I'll fix that up. Now you can see, you only see Sheet 7, and give it a moment. You'll see that my, there goes the slicers. The slicers are also working as they should. And that is, let me quickly open up my my document one more time, and then I can give you my references and it will be all good to go. So here are the references I used to create this for the textbook and for my data sample. Thank you.